Hello friends, today I am going to calculate the moment of inertia of a rod having length 2a and having mass m, and we have to calculate the moment of inertia about a line which passes through center and perpendicular to the length. Firstly, let us consider a rod AB of length 2a. Now we have to draw a line which passes through the center of that rod. This will be center of that rod and perpendicular to the length, and it is our length and perpendicular to that. Now we have to calculate moment of inertia that rod about that line. So for that, let us consider a small part of that rod, that is PQ, having length del x, and this is center, and let this length will be x, which is perpendicular to that line. So firstly we calculate the mass of that PQ, and we know that per unit length mass will be m is equals to mass of PQ will be m by length having 2a, that will be per unit mass, and having length del x, so mass of PQ will be m by 2a del x. Now moment of inertia of that PQ will be mass into perpendicular distance square, and perpendicular distance square is x, that is x and its square, that is moment of inertia PQ. What we using to calculate moment of inertia of whole rod, that is firstly we calculate the moment of inertia of that part, and then we will integrate from this to this to calculate the moment of inertia of whole rod. If this will be center and having length 2a, that means this is dividing whole rod into two parts. If we consider this is as origin, then this will be minus a and this will be a. So to calculate the moment of inertia of AB, we have to integrate moment of inertia of that part to minus a to a. So moment of inertia of AB will be integration minus a to a m 2a x squared del x. This will be m by 2a x cube by 3 integrating minus a to a. This will be m by 2a a cube by 3 minus a cube by 3. This will be m by 2a. This will get plus because it is having odd power, so this will be 2a cube by 3. This will be 2 get cancel out and 1a get cancel out. This will be ma squared by 3. This will be moment of inertia of rod AB.